Episode 36 intro. So normally I put this stuff on the website post, but those actually take quite a bit to do. And every time I've done something like this, it seems to have been welcome. So I will still put up the website post at some point because they are indexable and searchable text and all of that. But I'm going to be trying to do these for most or all episodes. So let me know in the comments if this works for you. Now, ironically, 36 doesn't need much of an intro. Normally, I warn people when an episode is particularly boring or there's something tricky or parts that can be skipped. 36 actually went pretty well. I started off deciding that I wanted to figure out what had gone wrong, and took me like 20 minutes of inconclusive debugging in 35 because I had an idea shortly before the stream. It turned out it was that. The FK kind of transformations going down the chain of the foot to neutralize the negative scaling coming from the controls was done in the episode, and that went pretty well. All in all, it was an episode of honest noddling that went pretty well. So by the end of the episode, I would say that all of the components and the entire rig, as far as the components go, are now pretty much done, including adding the guiding, de-guiding process, and transmitting the FKIK to the foot. So from there on, we look at doing the I/O and seeing if there are any other issues. But anyway, I reckon 36 is worth watching. It's only an hour. It's pretty tight. Mostly everything went well first go. So yeah, up to you. If you want to see some honest modeling and some explanations of the whole FK transmission down to neutralize negative scaling, I will say those are the salient points of it. Thank you very much, and if you watch it, enjoy watching it. See ya.